Can Dogecoin reach $5 in 2025? Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Maxi, and I have another video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about Dogecoin. How high are we going to go? Because the markets are quite shaky. Well, at least altcoins are. Bitcoin is nearly back at $100,000. Where's Dogecoin going to go? Is Elon Musk going to be able to push this to $5? Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop in this video, guys. All right, so we're looking at the Dogecoin chart on the daily, and it does not look too good. We are starting to see the spillover, but I need to be honest with you guys. When we're looking at the daily and we just look at just this right here, it doesn't look that great. When you zoom out and you start to really pick this apart, you start to realize, hey, this maybe isn't that bad, especially with Bitcoin nearly at $100,000. And the overall altcoin season has yet to come. So maybe this isn't so bad. Over on crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333blacksea. I say, we really want to see this continue to break down off the test on the yellow line for BTC.D. That's Bitcoin dominance. If we see it, then our alts will survive. And this is a photo of our chart of Bitcoin dominance. And we are testing basically this was the support. And we've broken down out of it. And now we are testing it as resistance. We want to see this reject off. And when you see this reject off, we'll look at this chart shortly. That means that altcoin season is here. And that means that basically 2025 will be the time where we see Dogecoin go to $1, $2, maybe even $5, guys. If you do believe that altcoin season is right around the corner and you do think 2025 is going to be absolutely massive for Elon Musk's Dogecoin, and please check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. Sign up to Blowfin right now. You get a $5,000 sign-in bonus as well as 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account. This is a limited time offer, guys. Please sign up. No other exchange is offering this right now. And even if you don't want to trade right now, guys, in a year from now, you'll get 10% off all the trading fees, and you won't be able to get that unless you sign up right now because it's a limited time offer. So where's Dogecoin here? Dogecoin is sitting at rank 7, down a massive 20% in the past 7 days, but up about 1% in the past day. We were getting a little bit of a bounce here after the past few days of absolutely mad selling off. It's been madness in the market, blood in the streets, guys, but you know what the saying is? Buy the fear, guys. Buy the blood in the streets. That's how you make the most money, especially in crypto. We're sitting at a $48.13 billion market cap for Dogecoin. I believe our all-time high was about $66 billion, so we are down about $20 billion. It's pretty incredible to say that out loud. That's a big amount of money, a big amount of money. But guys, $11 billion in 24-hour volume, mainly a lot of selling. But I will say, today and yesterday has been all-time highs for cryptocurrency trading volume in the history of crypto, guys. It's been the absolute most movement, the most money flowing in and out of crypto ever in the entire history of crypto. It's absolutely massive. So let's pick apart Doge here a little bit. We're waiting for Bitcoin dominance. We'll take a look at that shortly. That's our main signal to really be giving us the signal that, okay, 2025, we can expect big moves for Dogecoin. But when you look at Dogecoin, I know it doesn't look that pretty when you're looking at the 4-hourly chart and we're seeing this breakdown, but look at this wick, guys. This is a classic bull market wick to the downside, flushing out, and we're getting a bit of a bounce. Money flow is red. We want to see this start to flip green here shortly. It probably can. We just need to be a little bit patient here. But when you look out, you need to zoom out a little bit. You need to zoom out a little bit on Dogecoin to really understand where we're at here, all right? Because when you just zoom in, it can look pretty brutal. But if you're looking at the weekly time frame, guys, what dip, right? It's not that significant. If you pull off logarithmic, you can kind of see a little bit better of a picture as well. Yeah, now it looks like a little bit more of a dip. That being said, it's a wick, a massive wick to the downside. It is not uncommon during bull markets to see 30% drawdowns on Bitcoin on the way up. We haven't even seen that. It's been about a 12 to 15% drawdown on Bitcoin. But when that happens, it's not uncommon to see 30, 40, 50, 60% drawdowns on some of these altcoins. And, you know, if we measure this right now, we wicked down about 36%, okay? About 40%, but it was a wick. It was a quick wick. And now we are only down about 17 to 18%. Very, very fascinating stuff. Nobody said cryptocurrency be for the weak. It's not for the faint of heart. I'll tell you that much. I've been in this space for nearly a decade, and I can tell you, you need to know when to panic and when not to panic, and usually there'll be many times to panic, but only one of those times will actually be the time where it's warranted, okay? I know that's confusing, but it's just how it is, guys. You know, the market is trained to make you feel emotions. It is trained to make you panic sell, to FOMO. You need to be doing what the majority is not doing to become profitable in this space, guys. All right, Bitcoin dominance. This is a very, very important chart, okay? We're looking at the 4-hourly, but let's scale up here. Let's look at the daily a little bit because this is more of a clear picture of where we're at. We came slamming down. Over on crypto Twitter, I called the top of Bitcoin dominance. I said around November 20th, I said, Bitcoin dominance is topping out here. And we did. We came crashing down. We broke through this 2-year-long rising wedge of Bitcoin dominance. We rallied all the way up to about 63%. I was like, okay, guys, we're getting pretty toppy here. We broke down. And I did say, when we broke down, I expected something like this. Bang, up, and then spill over. And I said, there's a chance that we come and test the once support of the breakdown as resistance. I did not think it would be this quick, though. I did not think it would be this quick. This was savage. This was absolutely ruthless. This bounce straight back up just made everyone think that altcoin season was happening, and a snap of a finger said, just kidding, guys. And it was brutal. It was absolutely brutal. But there's some hope here, guys. If you zoom in, we had a wick above back in this channel. No weekly candle closure, no daily candle closure. This is good. We need to see this reject down. We need to see this break down from where we're at. We do not want to see this do that. We do not want to see it. If that happens, then we're going to be needing to kick this can down the road a little bit and be thinking about, when is altcoin season really going to happen? When is Dogecoin going to go to $1? When is Dogecoin going to get to $5? Okay. The can will be kicked much further down the road if we come back into here, probably late 2025. But I am leaning towards the idea that we do break down here, guys, that altcoin season is right around here. When you look at the 4-hourly, you can see we've had multiple 4 hours of Bitcoin dominance breaking down. We need to break down below about 57.37%. I really want to break below this level right here. Then I can say, okay, we're back to altcoin season. We can be more bullish on alts. We can put our risk on. But right now, let's just take it easy, zoom out, and pay attention to where Bitcoin dominance is going, because we need it to break down for Dogecoin to perform well. Where will Dogecoin go when Bitcoin dominance breaks down past 55%? Okay, we're sitting at about 58.3%, chopping around near 59% Bitcoin dominance. If we break down below here, guys, you need to zoom out to really get an idea of how low we can go for Bitcoin dominance. We have not had an altcoin season yet, guys. We have not had an altcoin season. This was the altcoin season. This was the altcoin season. This is not the altcoin season, guys. We need the confirmation. We need to break down. When we do that, I do expect massive moves for Dogecoin. Dogecoin is sitting right now at a $48 billion market cap, about 33 cents. I do think that $1 Doge, that's basically $100 billion, $110 billion market cap. Very, very possible. I would even say it is probable that that will happen as long as Bitcoin plays nice and we're not getting in that local top territory, okay? No macro cycle highs, and I don't think that the macro cycle highs in. If Bitcoin dominance breaks down and Bitcoin continues to rally throughout 2025, I do expect $1 is in the bag, and we need to be looking at the idea of $2, $3, and maybe even $5 Doge. Can it 10x from here? Can we go to a $500 billion market cap? I think it's possible. But it will take a lot of key things to happen, including Bitcoin strategic reserves across the board on the entire globe. Pro-crypto regulation. We're already seeing that. But the Bitcoin strategic reserves are extremely crucial if you want to see Dogecoin turn into a $500 billion asset. Because if we get that, then you're talking about $18 trillion plus flowing into Bitcoin. That's $1 million Bitcoin. It would only make sense that the number one meme coin is near $1 trillion. I know that sounds absolutely insane, but it's possible. Guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Check out those awesome links down below. And please go follow me on Instagram at 333blacksea. In the spirit, I know we're getting chopped up a little bit, but I do think that the bull market has much more time left throughout 2025, especially for Dogecoin. Please go follow me, 333blacksea on Instagram. If I can get to 1,000 followers in the next 24 hours, I will give one of you $1,000 in crypto. So please go follow me, 333blacksea. That's all I really got for you on this one, guys. Like I said, check out those awesome links. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think a $5 Dogecoin is possible? Do you think the bull market is over? It's all over. We're going to zero. Let me know. I'm curious. I'll see you next one. Bye.